I picked up this banjo over in the music store yesterday, and it's different. It's very different. It is, to my eye, I'm pretty darn sure this is what's the word I'm looking for? Dobson. This is a Dobson, based on that right there, the way that neck is made, and that right there. And that screw is not a screw that's put in like a new banjo. This is a screw that's put in because the heel broke off. The shape of this neck piece here, that's a Dobson style thing. I asked the guy in the music store if these hooks were brass. He didn't know. I just tried them with a magnet. They are. So that's a brass hook. It's a brass shoe. You can tell by the green on it. And this one has these little weird things under here. And this one's turning green, which makes me think that's brass. So all those are positive things. I bought this thinking I might wind up donating it to the museum around the corner over there. I've talked about that before. This thing had some kind of little bands. I wonder if those are metal and if those are brass. I love to find a banjo like something I've never seen before, and that's what I have here. And basically, if you take a magnet will stick to steel. Like this is steel. Actually, that's interesting. If you can see this ring here, that's not steel, but the ring, there's a ring inside this head that is steel. So actually this is a brass ring, brass bolts, doesn't stick to them, brass shoes, and these pieces back here are brass. The nuts, the screws are steel. They go into the shoes. So that tail piece is steel. So we have a really interesting banjo. This little piece of metal right there, is that a piece of metal there? That's interesting. Just all very interesting. That's got a round wooden piece in the back, which is not what I would have expected to see, but the hole in the banjo is round and the hole in the back is banjo. This could be a very old Dobson banjo. And of course the head is shot, but for a museum piece it'd be shot in a pretty cool way, but for a banjo, I don't know. Maybe not. It almost looks like this head, this skin was on here and somebody at some point turned it. So it's almost like they took it off one banjo and put it on another. But it's a skin head. It's not would never be playable with it torn like that, but it certainly is interesting. Anyway, that's going down into the not exactly straight or anything. Yeah, it's pretty good worked neck, which makes it a good wall hanger also. Okay. Okay.